Pi gros service ou capable rendre nous, c'est là ou abonner à la chaîne ça et puis ou like ou partager de façon pour l'autre monde capable bénéficier du travail à faire. Merci beaucoup.
The ball in play at Stade de la Méno. Leave it for Gilbert. That's a good ball from Gilbert. Claimed by Keylor Navas. Nifty from Herrera. Rafinha. Here's Sarabia. A window to shoot. He pulls the trigger. That one sliced wide in the end.
Good interplay on that right-hand side. But
to win in this stadium in their last two outings. Here's a long ball from PSG. Kylian Mbappe cannot latch on to. Aolu wins it in the midfield. Is there a chance for the shot? Oh, off the post! It was Thomason. Aolu tries to take one as well, but the ball from Kylian Mbappe. In fact, it was Kehrer who continues his run. Corner can to Sarabia, who gets the cross in. Mbappe just inches away from making contact with that one. Venu through on goal. Paredes. Backdoor pass into Bakker. And he had to make the save, Matt Sells. That ball was sneaking.
What a good ball by Paredes. Understanding age 22.
Sarabia into the penalty spot. Oh, Paredes was swinging for that one. Misses in the end, but he found him most dangerous. Cuts inside. Difficult angle! But he scores! Kylian Mbappe with the breakthrough for PSG. Well, he hadn't seen much of the ball. He'd been marginalized by the current of the game. But give him a little bit of space and he will punish you. PSG ahead.
Absolutely brilliant. He almost comes to a complete stop. Drops that shoulder to the right. Pretends he's going to try to bend the ball around. And then the change of direction with the change of pace.
Bebas at the Alfredo Di Stefano against Real Madrid.
Yep.
Banana under pressure and knocked down. You could hear Keylor Navas shouting instructions. Lienach to take. It's a good one. There's the header just wide. It was Jean Edes, two blue shirts. Mbappe, the Trivella cross. A little wayward, but the right idea. And Sarabia was Rafinha. Back to Mbappe. Mbappe! Shot deflected. Aolu can't clear it out. That was risky. Still Danilo. Sarabia opens up his hips. Here's Sarabia! And he fires it in! Corner pocket for Pablo Sarabia. PSG doubling their lead here at Stade de la Méno. Pablo Sarabia with his sixth of the campaign. And PSG perhaps putting this game beyond Strasbourg.
Absolutely clinical again. When you look up.
Gilbert. There's the header. Well, just a whisker wide.
Good ball.
Burners. He'll latch on to this one. But that's well done by Kone, who ushers the ball out of play. Excellent defending from the Ivorian. Gilbert. Italian, clipped by Rafinha, cut out by Kone, bicycle attempt! Oh, a flash of brilliance once again from Kylian Mbappe.
As well.
Propelled forward, here's Diallo, keep accelerating. Keane! And he rifles it in! That's 3 for PSG! Well, the game seemed to have become a little sleepy for PSG, but nobody better than Kylian Mbappe to add some acceleration to the game, sliding it through for Moise Kean, takes a glance and hits it hard. Ball back in play.
Who can you ill afford to lose? And Trasbourg had some success on the right side, Eric.
Gilbert, another good cross from the right back, as you were known. Finds Mbappe. Has the run from Bakker.
He's proven that.
You'll look at the difference. Slid through by Sarabia. Mbappe couldn't latch onto it. Frustrated with himself. Floats it towards the back post.
She wrote.
Cross coming in from Bellegarde. There's the yellow! Just over. He may have been a step or two offside. Given away by Danilo. Good work by Kachi. Cleared out by... It's not easy to keep Kylian Mbappe in your pocket. Here's Sissoko. That's a late hit. And Moise Kean will certainly be cautioned for that one. Lienart. He's got 3 targets in the box. That's a good delivery.
Had a better situation.
Long ball. Here's Moise Kean, who collects it brilliantly. The rebound, it's cleared out by Mitrovic. Sarabia chomping at the bit to get on the end of that and get his... He's got 2 options, including Dion in the box. Dion with a strike! And Trasbourg pull one back! His first touch of the game! Accurate and past Sergio Rico! His first professional goal in his 2nd game for Trasbourg. And what a goal! And scoring against PSG as well.
It certainly is.
Saïd Dion. Here's Bakker with the cross. Moise Kean with
Mbappe's Dembele.
Paredes to Sarabia. Moise Kean couldn't catch it cleanly. Lamine Kone was close. Immediate impact, but here are PSG. Kean trying to slide it. Getting there, or having their effect. Mbappe slapped away by Sels. I'm not sure whether that was a cross or a shot from Shahiri. Cuts inside, unleashes one. Not enough spice
easy.
On that meatball.
It's too easy right now for
Thomason with the dummy. The shot comes in, and it's wide. And Psic. Bakker will send it in. Moise Kean with the touch. Just wide. And Olu. Shahiri. Good challenge there. He's been inexhaustible, hasn't he, Gilbert, down that right side. Here's Gilbert. Will bombard the box. That's a good one. Shahiri was just behind the winger. Mbappe. Mbappe against the world. Mbappe beats the world. And it is Paredes, and he scores! A beautiful strike from Leandro Paredes. PSG's 4th. Well, you said it, Thomas Rongen. He was locked in. He was loaded. And he fires off a torpedo that beats Matt Sels.
And just those 2-3 little steps that
crosses it in, clips it in. There's the header.